Fasten, then caulk, then paint for the cleanest and most durable baseboard finish. Start by pre-painting the baseboards when possible by applying 2 thin coats to the face and edges and allowing full drying time to reduce finish work after installation. When installing, use a finish nailer or brad nailer with nails spaced about every 12 inches and place nails into studs or use construction adhesive on the back of the board for long runs. Set nails just below the surface and fill with wood filler matched to the paint. After all, boards are installed and filler is dry. Run a smooth bead of paintable latex caulk along the top seam where the baseboard meets the wall and at inside corners and gaps larger than 1/32 of an inch. Tool the bead with a wet finger or a caulking tool to create a concave, smooth joint that sheds paint evenly. Wipe excess caulk and dust with a slightly damp rag before the caulk skins over to avoid sanding later. Wait, the caulk manufacturer recommended cure time before painting over it, which is usually 24 hours for standard latex caulk, but check the tube for specifics. Finally, apply 1 or 2 light touch-up coats to the nailed and filled areas with a small angled sash brush for control and to blend the factory finish with the installed edges. Common mistakes start with painting only after installation, which increases the chance of drips, uneven edges, and damage during nailing. Avoid this by pre-painting faces and edges where practical or by using very light touch-up only after installation. People overfill nail holes or sand aggressively, which leaves dips and fuzzy paint. Use a minimal amount of filler, let it cure fully, and sand very lightly with fine grit paper just to smooth the spot. Skipping caulk or using non-paintable or slow-curing caulk causes visible gaps or cracking after painting. Always choose a paintable latex caulk, tool the beads smoothly, and allow full cure before final painting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who are looking for work and helps homeowners compare options and read community experiences. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and post photos so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real projects.